What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be taking some old brass. This is from a 380 and a 44 mag, and some points off of some antlers, and we're going to be making some pendants with them. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Let's get to it. Alright, we're going to start with de-priming these. And to do that, we're just going to use some sockets. You'll want to set this down in here where it's just the primer can have room to fall out of there. When you're doing this, I would recommend wearing gloves and eye protection because these primers can go off again. Even though they've been fired, there's a chance that they are not fully fired, so they can still go off. So be careful. Do this at your own risk. Alright. We're going to try it with this punch, and if that doesn't work, we're going to go to a nail. There's our primer. Let's get this other one popped out. Alright. Got those primers out of there. There they are. Get rid of these. And now let's get these cut down more to size. Alright, I went ahead and got these little eyelets I just made out of a piece of wire stuck in there and JB welded also. We'll let this glue dry and then we'll get to polishing these up real good, making them shine. Alright, I'll get back to y'all in a second. Alright, y'all. There we go. This one, I put on an adjustable string so you can pull these and they will adjust. You can adjust the length. This one I just did a fixed length. Yeah. What do you guys think? Say not too bad. I'm happy with how they turned out. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Once we get to 500 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. When we get closer to the goal, I'll be announcing what's in that giveaway. We're doing quite a few things. Yeah, I thank you all very much for watching. Until next time, peace.